Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. So I want to show you guys one of my track records. Some of you may know I work for a Dutch capital management company as a trader, and this is one of our high risk account track records from 2024. So I'm going to refresh this. I'm going to blur out a couple of things that I'm not allowed to show you guys, for example, the balance and the equity and stuff like that. But yeah, other than that, I'm going to try and show you guys everything as best as I can to be 100% transparent, 100% honest with you guys, and show you what trading is all about. So let me just refresh this website so that you guys know that it's 100% real. So we are up this year 62%. Now, in terms of RR, that is about 40 risk to reward or 40 RR, which is very solid. That's a pretty good year so far. One of our better years for sure. The summer has been kind of rough, but still, it's not bad. So, if we take a look at our profit equity curve, you can see that we did have some significant drawdown this year, early May and June, basically. But we didn't end up recovering and ending up in profit. So, Q2, the second quarter of the year, was kind of tough for us. The first quarter was pretty good, and now the third quarter was pretty good too. And we're about to go into Q4 after this month. Um, so we did have a relatively large drawdown. Like I said, this is one of our more high risk accounts. So we did end up getting a slightly higher drawdown, but that compensates with the fact that we are up 62% right now. There's different portfolios in our company, so this is just one of them. You can even see that it says number two, and there's a bunch more, but I'm not going to go over those right now. I want to show you guys the monthly gain and change. So this is what we have in terms of monthly gain and change. Um, Once again, I'm going to repeat it one more time. This is a relatively high risk account. So the returns are pretty high, but the risk per trade is also relatively high. So keep that in mind. Don't look at these results and be like, well, I should be making 25% a month. No, this is a high risk account. The people that we trade with know that this is a high risk account. And so the returns are higher, but there is also a higher likelihood of this account blowing, which is why we consistently take out with the trawls too. You can see that March, which is when we started tracking this account in public, basically, was a decent month, closing in around 8%. April was an insane month, 25%. May about 6.5. June, like I said, Q2 was a bit of a rough month for us, or a rough start. Um, it was well minus 7.28%. And then July, we pulled that all the way back with a 16% month. And now August and September. August was a really slow month. Usually the summer months are really slow. September has been a decent month so far, but it only just started out. So this is one of our track records. I just wanted to show you guys this just to be 100% transparent. And I believe that if you're going to be listening to someone's education, they should be able to show that they actually know what they're doing. There's not a lot of transparency in the FX industry, as we all know. So that's why I just want to quickly show you guys my track record on my myfxbook. It's a fully verified track record too. It has the track record check mark, which means that it's coming from the broker, basically. So there's no faking it. Um, yeah, and I just quickly wanted to show you guys this. And if there's anything else you guys want to see, feel free to reach out to me. Feel free to DM me. It's really important, in my opinion, to keep up with the track record because ultimately, if you're going to end up building investor capital, you should have something to show for it. And even if you're, for example, selling education, which is totally fine, if you do in the future want to sell education, make sure that you actually have proof because there's more than enough educators out there who don't even know or who don't have any proof whatsoever of profitability. So, with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed this short little video and take care.